Hello and welcome back to ChiefTutor.com. In this video we'll be discussing countertop edges. There is a way to do a custom edge for a countertop, and this comes in handy when you're trying to make a special bar top or a customer ordered a special OG design on their edge, which is kind of neat. So there's a lot of little cool things the countertop option can do, so we're just going to cover them real quick. I'm going to go ahead and show you what we have now, which in the last video I was making a countertop here, and a custom countertop for our bar. And it just has a 180 roll, just a simple basic roll. And that comes standard in their options, because they have, if you click into here for their edge molding, quite a few different edges to choose from. And you'll notice they're all two-dimensional shapes. And basically, if you want to make your own, that's pretty much all you have to do. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to turn on the CAD tools. Now you can go to CAD and just grab them, but since I'm working in them, I like to see them. So I'm going to right-click on any one of my icons here, and this pops up. And if I go down to CAD configuration and left-click one time, it'll change my icons to the CAD, which is nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. I'm going to use the arc tool, and I'm going to make an arc like this. And then I'm going to make another one like this. And I'm not really worried too much about the dimensioning of it right now. I just want to get kind of the shape and the style. Go around like so. I'm going to take the straight tool. I don't know, go like that. Go up like this. And if I did it correctly and connected all edges, when you select it, it should go gray in the middle. You should see a different change of the color. If all the edges are not correctly attached, then you won't get this coloring shape here. Okay, so let's take this bad boy and, I don't know, let's shape it just a little bit. Let's shape it like so. Maybe shape it down. Maybe shape that down a bit. Not so high of an arch. Okay, that looks pretty good. And let's go ahead and save it. I'm going to click on it one time, and I'm going to add it to the library. And I'm going to go to my libraries, go into CAD Objects. This is a folder I've created so far. And in CAD Objects, I'm going to name it, let's name it Really Cool Edge. Yeah, that's a really cool edge. Okay, it's in the system. I clicked OK and it's saved. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this because I don't really need it. And then I'm going to double click on my countertop. And yeah, I'm going to go to that molding edge. And I'm going to delete the one that's there, and I'm going to add a new one. Go to my libraries, my CAD objects, and look for my really cool edge. Click OK. Now I'll notice right away, excuse me, I notice right away that the height is 40 and the width is 130. That's crazy. So really all I need is an 1.5 inch countertop. So I'm going to say 2 just to go a little bit bigger than normal. And the width, maybe 3.5 going out, maybe. I'll notice the offset button. That sets it higher or lower, but I'm just going to leave it at 0 for now. Click OK. Now there we go. It went ahead and generated out the few inches that I set it to be. And let's go ahead and take a look and see what it's done. And there's my edge, as you can see. It's pretty sweet. And it'll basically follow any shape you can draw, which is really nice. And then you simply grab the color and apply it to the edge. And there you have a nice little bar top. Now in this case, I can even customize it because it goes through the faucet. I don't even, I obviously don't want to do that. So while I'm in CAD mode, which is nice, I can select the countertop, and I'm going to hit this break line. And I'm going to break it here, and let's break it here, and let's just pull it back just a bit. Let's see what happened there. Oh, nice, huh? So little custom things, fun things you can do just to show your clients that you actually are very talented. And if you do find that you do need to offset it a bit, for instance, the countertop, if I were to offset it like, let's say 1 inch, I can see that it created that 1 inch drop in there. Kind of hard to see, but look at it, see as it drops in there. Okay, so let's go to 0, back to 0, because it seemed fine on 0. And there we go. And let's see what else we can do. I am going to go back to my normal configuration, and I'm going to use my blue camera, in render high view and spin in and take a look at my nice countertop edge that I've created. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. And there's one last tool for the countertop, and that is to make a custom hole. So I'm going to click on that and go ahead and make a custom hole. And basically, as long as you draw in the countertop, it'll make a hole in that countertop. And now you can simply take your wonderful island, pick it up like a briefcase, carry it to the job site, and drop it in place. Now how's that for quality? Huh? Chief Architect. X1 training at chieftutor.com. Thanks guys. Talk to you soon.